look him in the eye. Look down, you're here until you die.
No God above, and hell alone below.
Look down, there's 20 years to go.
I've done no wrong. Sweet Jesus, hear my prayer.
Look down, sweet Jesus doesn't care. I know she'll wait, I know that she'll be true. Look down, they're all forgotten you. When I get free, you won't see me here for dust. Look down, you'll always be a slave. Look down, you're standing in your grave.
Retrieve the flag.
Prisoner 24601, your time is up and your parole's begun. You know what that means?
Yes, he's free.
No. Follow to the letter your itinerary. This badge of shame will show it till you die. It warns you're a dangerous man.
I stole a loaf of bread. My sister's child was close to death. We were starving.
You'll starve again unless you learn the meaning of the law.
Know the meaning of those 19 years. The slave of the law.
5 years for what you did. The rest because you tried to run. Yes, 24601.
My name is Jean Valjean.
And I'm Javert. Do not forget my name. Do not forget me. 24601.